Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to destination for the latest and most exciting reveals from the world of automobiles and RC vehicles. If you're passionate about innovation, performance, and next-gen models that redefine expectations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly special for RC enthusiasts, the newly unveiled next-generation 2023 TRX-4M by Traxxas, featuring the iconic Land Rover Defender in a highly detailed 1/18 scale. This compact crawler might be small in size, but it packs a serious punch in terms of realism, capability, and performance. Traxxas has long been a name synonymous with quality and durability in the world of RC. With the TRX-4M, they've managed to bring all the legendary DNA of the TRX-4 series into a smaller, more portable form factor without sacrificing performance or detail. The 2023 TRX-4M Land Rover Defender is a mini beast built to conquer terrain, climb obstacles, and deliver a true-to-life off-road experience straight out of the box. Let's start with the design. At 1/18 scale, the TRX-4M Defender still manages to capture every rugged detail of the full-size Land Rover Defender. From its iconic boxy silhouette to the scale-accurate roof rack, wheel arches, grille, and lights, the craftsmanship is impressive. It's available in multiple classic Defender color options, like orange, green, blue, and silver, all with a factory-finished, high-gloss paint job that adds to its premium appeal. The body is mounted on a realistic clipless system, which means clean lines and quick access to internals with just a snap. Under the body, the real magic happens. The TRX-4M is built on a newly developed platform that features a steel ladder frame chassis with oil-filled shocks and 4-link suspension. This isn't just for show. It gives the truck the articulation and durability it needs to perform on all kinds of terrain, whether it's rocky trails, sandy inclines, or grassy backyards. The ground clearance is excellent for its size, and combined with the aggressive tread tires, you're looking at a mini crawler that punches way above its weight class. The drivetrain is fully 4WD with metal gear differentials and a center drive shaft system that delivers torque smoothly and reliably. Traxxas has also introduced a new Titan 87T brushed motor specifically designed for this platform, which gives it low-end torque for crawling as well as enough speed for trail driving. The electronic speed control is waterproof, just like the rest of the electronics, making it perfect for adventures in any weather. Controlling the TRX-4M is an absolute joy thanks to the included TQ 2.4 GHz radio system. It's comfortable, responsive, and pairs seamlessly with the truck. There's also Traxxas' new ECM2.5 waterproof electronic control module, which combines an ESC, receiver, and light control into one compact unit. The truck comes pre-installed with functional LED headlights and marker lights, giving it that added scale reel.